Well, tailgate is done, and I think she came out very nice. Decided to go with all black for the GMC. I figured it kind of offset the red and the white, seeing I didn't have any blue. And I was able to finish the door hinges. You can see the remnants of the hinges on the ground right there, the pins, and as you can see, the door opens very nicely. Voila. Tomorrow I'll finish putting in the glass. Can't put the door panel in yet until I get the gaskets for the door handle, but I can get the window in and the window guides and all of the gaskets, because I already did the gaskets on this one. So I'll do the gaskets on this side, and then this door will be almost completely done. Almost. But anyway, got these made in America. They fit perfectly, unlike the ones I got from Napa Auto, which I had to drill out the bushings on that side because they were too large and would not press into the door jambs. Even though they said that this was the proper one, it didn't work. So anyway, let's check this out. Here we go. Watch this. Oops. Yeah, I need a new mirror. Can you tell? Perfect. New one is coming in the mail. This one was broken before I got it. I think I'm going to take it to a glass shop and see if they can put a glass mirror in it too. Anyway. That is that. Let's see here. Let's take this and we will strap this under here and we will strap it around to there like that. There we go. Just waiting for the rest of the paint to dry. I should get this all out of there because I definitely will forget about it if I leave it in there. Then I'll be looking for my ratchet, and I'll be looking for sockets and all these goodies right here. They'll be nowhere to be found, and they'll be just disappeared. And we can't have that disappearance stuff. So anyway, that is the tailgate portion of this restoration project. And as soon as I get the door finished, then next week the hood comes off and the fenders come off and the new fenders go on, the new inner fender wells go on, and all will be well in the universe. Then it goes to the shop to get the new processor 205 installed and the transmission resealed because it's been sitting so long it sprung a leak. The guy that owned it before me drove it probably once a month, maybe a couple of miles. So anywho, that's what happened with that. So I got the tune-up Excel distributor and coil, and finally got that pesky coolant leak fixed. Has the original thermostat housing, which had a little corrosion, and the corrosion basically caused the water to bypass the gasket. Anyway, so this one door is done. that door over there needs to be finished, and then we get the front end done, and then we come back and start working on the back end. Anyway, let's see if this paint is dry. Let me see. It's good enough for government work. And then got a new window motor coming because this is a little bit on the slow side. As you can see, the window motor is a little tired. So we have to get the new motor installed because it goes down just fine, but up, not so much up. Wait a minute. I think it's catching that gasket too. So I got a new gasket coming for the window. I'm going to be replacing that. Wait a minute, that door ain't all the way closed. Well, that could be a reason why it doesn't want to go up. Wonder what's holding that door open. I don't know. Let me go over here and check it out. Is that it right there? Guess I'm going to be getting a new set of those too. I'm thinking maybe that might be in my near future. A new set of those. All right, let's see here. All right, let's see if we can get that door closed. Ah, there we go. Now let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Yeah, still needs a window motor, but that'd be a reason for not wanting to close. Anyway, this is the finished product.